a wild boat in the woods. Most of the time, when we imagine boats, we picture them frolicking about in the water. However, in places where temperatures can drop below freezing, boats migrate out of their usual habitat and make for land. The boat usually finds an out-of-the-way spot to hunker down and hibernate through the winter months. Its usual white plumage turns a darker shade to help it camouflage with the barren forest around it. Occasionally, boats will hibernate together in groups for protection against predators. While on the water, a boat's size and speed make it hard for predators to catch. On land, it's clumsy and slow, often needing help from other creatures to move. It is for this reason that wild boats usually form symbiotic relationships with humans helping boats move on land, and boats helping humans move on water. When the weather starts to warm, boats will start to lose their darker winter plumage and return to their natural white color in preparation of leaving hibernation and returning to the water. Truly a rare and magnificent sight to see.